Hello everyone! We have a phone for you today. It's an naked egg osmosis lab. We took 6 eggs and soaked them in vinegar. Let's see what they look like. We compared the mass from before soaking in vinegar and after, and they all went up. That means water moved across the membrane into the eggs.
This is what it looked like after soaking in vinegar.
So what I've noticed when you start taking the egg off is that all this white stuff is the shell. So when we really scrub, there's this like spongy egg here. It's so weird to touch. How did you feel?
Okay. Oh wow, that's weird. And what I noticed is like just a light rub would do it. And like I've never touched something like this. Like it's like so cool. I just want to touch it again. Like so bad.
And this is raw egg, so if you decide to try this experiment at home, make sure you wash your hands after this because raw egg is not good for your health.
Yeah.
We took the eggs without their shells and soaked them in corn syrup, soy sauce, and cranberry juice.
Distilled water, vegetable oil, and Coke. Check out what they looked like.
Hey guys, now we're going to see if the mass has changed in the eggs. Egg number 1, the corn syrup, looks like a tea bag.
Yep. Yep.
30.7. Oh, geez. Oh my god. It's went down nearly like half of the mass. Okay. I'm changing my inference. I think they're less. By far the heaviest. So it went up a considerable 11 grams. So pretty decent. Now we're gonna pop one.
Yeah, this.
See the inside.
And my daddy's gonna put it on slow-mo.
Dun dun dun.
Okay.
As you can see, only the first egg decreased in mass by the end of day 3. That means that water left the membrane because there's a higher concentration of sugar outside the egg than inside the egg.
Now check out what happened when we popped them.
And make sure to like and subscribe for more science videos.
So now I'm gonna do egg number 1. I'm just gonna tear it open. Oh, I got egg. Oh,
That must be so fun.
oh, it's so gooey.
Oh, that
And this is what it was in. And I'm just handling goo. Ew.
Break that orange thing open.
No,
Why?
because it's rock solid.
Just try.
No. Alright, so this is egg number 1. Egg number 2. I'll have to have my handy friend toothpick here.
It
This
looks
is
like
so disgusting,
it
but
looks
so cool.
it's like poop water.
I guess. And now for the cranberry juice.
Annihilated that thing. They're just mixing some eggs. Okay, this is just so cool because this is the soy sauce thing. I'm like, there's this soy sauce remains right here.
Okay.
Okay, I need to wash my hands now.
Yeah, definitely. Hey friends, we're doing egg number 4 from, you probably saw Luke's earlier ago. It was so fun watching him pop the eggs. Now I'm gonna do egg number 4 because those are the ones I was supposed to do. And I need my handy friend. I love doing. Oh, that's fun.
He's the messy one.
I know.
Egg number 5. Oh, thanks, Luke.
What was that in?
Olive oil.
No, it's still water.
No, it was the oil.
Patrick, yours are just like.
Yeah, I know. So it might be different.
Now time for the Coke. Boing.
The messy one. We're gonna definitely have to clean this.
This is so cool.
I love just touching it.
It's just the way
Just
this.
feel it. Just rub your hand around. Isn't that fun?
It's nice. But one thing I like to see is that mine sort of like oozed out, like the soy sauce. I think the membrane was a bit thicker, and my cranberry juice, it was very just like straight. And Patrick's just like was like pop, whoosh. So I look forward to.
Hey, Dad.
Well, after you wash your hands really, really well, you can write down some of those observations.
Yeah.